Hi everyone, I'm Slaya and today I'll show you how to create a watermark in Canva. I'll show you two different methods. If you're ready, let's begin. First, click on the Text tab on the left. Choose a font as desired and then type your brand name. Then drag it to your desired position and adjust the color by clicking on the color palette above. Once everything is ready, click on the transparency setting in the tab above and adjust the transparency as you wish. As you can see, the watermark has been created. If you wish, you can follow the same steps for your logo as well. Let's move on to the second method. First, click on Apps in the menu on the left, then type Watermark in the search bar and click on Watermark Maker. In this section, you can customize the font, color, and other properties of the watermark. You can also preview the current version of your watermark at the top. Once everything is ready, scroll all the way down and click Generate. The watermark is added as a new page. All you have to do is click once and drag and drop it onto your own design. As you can see, I successfully added the watermark I created to my design. I hope the How to Create a Watermark in Canva tutorial video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the Slaya YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.